Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an amazing and time-saving plugin called FireCut, a powerful tool designed to speed up your video editing workflow inside Premiere Pro. Link to this plugin will be in the description. FireCut is an AI-powered plugin that offers a range of smart editing features like remove silences, remove repetition, create highlights, add chapters, add captions, and many more smart tools including zooms, multi-track support, and even automatic B-roll detection, which is currently in beta. These features are perfect for creators, podcasters, YouTubers, and editors who want to save hours of manual work. After installing the plugin, enable the FireCut extension from your extensions menu in Premiere Pro. You'll then be asked to enter your license key, which you'll receive after purchasing the plugin. Just paste the key and FireCut will be ready to use. Now click on the FireCut option in your panel and you'll see all the available tools. Let's now talk about one of its most popular features: Add Captions. Click on the Add Captions feature. Before creating the captions, make sure to select the audio clip you want to use. You can either highlight the audio clip in your timeline or simply mark the in and out points of the portion you want to transcribe. Once the audio is selected, click on the FireCut plugin again and then click on Add Captions. Now select the language you want and hit the transcript button. After a short loading time, a new window will appear where you can review and edit the generated captions according to your needs. FireCut also comes with built-in caption style presets. Just select a preset and your captions will be styled automatically. Let's check out a few popular presets. Try Iman Gaji for a sharp, motivational style. Select Ali for a clean, storytelling vibe. Check out Mr. Beast if you want bold, high-energy captions for your YouTube content. I personally use the Ali preset for this video, and I really like how professional and clean it looks. You can also change the font, size, weight, alignment, and color of the captions. All the customization settings are available on the right-hand panel. If you want to animate your captions, you can enable the animation option. Make your desired changes and test different styles. Let me know in the comments which caption preset you like the most. Let's now check how the final captions look in the video. It's clean, readable, and gives a very professional feel. We didn't explore all the FireCut features in this video, but trust me, tools like remove silences, remove repetition, and create highlights are super helpful and can save you a lot of time on your projects. If you want more tutorials on those features, just let me know in the comments. That's all for today's video. You can find all the relevant links in the description below. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.